Coming up today on New Things, New Tech. Have an oddball sized picture and want to put it into a frame? Thinking about buying a custom frame? Why not make your own custom frame and save? This beautiful, expensive custom print picture here, which is an oddball size. It's 18 7/8 inches by 43 inches. We looked all over to find a frame off the shelf that could be used, but nothing seemed to exist that large. So the next option is to get a custom frame made to put this picture in. We found that custom frames are just expensive. Going with just a simple plain back frame, super thin acrylic glass, and basic back and loan would be about $200. So I did some research online to see what custom parts I could get sent out and just assemble the frame myself. On Frame It Easy, a super bland metal only frame with clear acrylic could be bought for about $72.61. The only choices were metal frames on this site and the size of a frame that would fit this picture, so clearly not as pretty as we wanted. Frames by mail could get us a step up for $143.63 for a basic backing, acid-free, regular pixel glass frame, or this gold frame version for $188.89 before shipping. Pictureframes.com was getting closer to the style wanted, but $170.60 before shipping and no glass or backing. Add those in and the price jumped up to $227.80. Okay, so trying not to break the bank, I figured I could just make a frame of my own. And that's what I did. I've never built a frame this custom before, so it's a good challenge to see what I can do with my cheesy tools and skills. At Lowe's, we found this really cool looking white hardwood chair rail molding for $12.82 for an 8-foot section. The size of the frame meant I'd have to use about 2 pieces. I also bought some of this pine lattice molding for $5.36 a piece. Having the outer frame done, now I needed some glass for the front. Buying a piece of glass that size would have run about $20 or so, or acrylic, which is really expensive, anywhere from super thin at $34 to $65 for something thick enough for a frame this size. So when out browsing secondhand stores, at a Habitat for Humanity restore store, we found an old frame with real glass in it for about $5. The glass was in really good shape and the frame a throwaway, so a great find for glass for the frame. Altogether, this picture should cost about $45 to build. So this whole project only took me a couple of hours to cut the wood, glue the frame together, drop in the glass picture and cardboard backing. The results, in my opinion, are really great from a first custom frame, I think so. The angles and cuts came out far better than I expected. And even if you calculate my labor costs into this project, it's still far cheaper frame and is just as good looking as any that I could have bought for $200, $300, or $400. Now this picture, as is ready to be hung and enjoyed. So if you have a beautiful picture that's just not a standard size, consider choosing building your own custom frame than paying some company for one. You'll probably end up with a better product than you'll enjoy looking at every day than one that you would have bought at a store. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more great things, tech reviews, and news, subscribe and watch. Check out our website at newthingsnewtech.com for more blogs, information, and more. Got a question? Need some help? Or just general comments? Give us your feedback. I'm Scott Drudge for New Things, New Tech.